HomeTrust needed a renovation because Major League Baseball put out new standards for their facilities. Anywhere in the stadium were challenges to meet those needs, and if we wanted to be able to keep a minor league baseball team here in Asheville, we had to get those renovations done.
I'm most excited to see the fans' reaction. We've shown renderings for years. Last year we were under construction, but I don't think anybody quite gets the magnitude of what this place now looks like. And when they walk in, I just can't wait to see their face. It's been a long time in the works. The community came together to make this happen. It's going to be amazing.
We thought, how do we expand this? We don't want just baseball. What can we do to expand that? And so now we're a 12-month facility that has the ability to do events year-round.
So not only will it be home to the Asheville Tourists, it's helping us attract more events and direct spending into our community to help support our businesses.
It's just really exciting to have all these different options here ready for us to really put on new events.
You know, the future of Asheville and Buncombe County is bright. Investing in facilities like this for our quality of life for our residents and for visitors alike is really great.
Without Explore Asheville, this renovation wouldn't have happened. The BC TDA committed nearly $23 million over 15 years towards this project. Without that $23 million, we probably don't have the tourists here today. It was instrumental to making this project come together.